It was not so easy to get inside.
Asuntoskeittiö Tammelan tori.
And the big site is Tammelan Puistokatu 2460. We'll see if we can get there later. But we have a 6A here. It was built in 1957 originally. You can see the historic pictures here of the Tammela Square here. It's also like this vibrant alive today. And it's here in Tampere, Finland. Very nice pictures. And also you can see the former shoe factory. I think it's the Tammela shoe factory. It was called something like that. And yeah, let's run the elevator. Capacity is 4 persons or 320 grams. Looks like it was more nice sometime in the mid or late 1990s.
Yeah.
With the older Kone logo here.
Yeah.
This looks very nice, very interesting. It's the with the gate. Beautiful. The lights are actually on save mode when it's not in use. Actually, this is an old Hissinhuolto elevator. It was built in 1957 originally.
Yeah.
Modernized with Kone pictures in 1999. The serial number is HH360 and it's going to be inspected in 2023. Amazing, right? The basement floor is locked from here.
Yeah.
It was worth coming inside as it's Hissinhuolto.
Yeah.
It's also very nice. I like it.
No, same here.
Yeah, but it was modernized 2 years after it turned 60.
Yeah.
No, I mean 50 years.
Yeah.
No, actually, no, it was only 40. 42 years.
Yeah.
Maybe it was early 1999.
Yeah.
Nice numbers on the floor.
Yeah.
Oh. The light went off.
Oh yeah.
Weird.
Strange. Yeah. Oh.
Well, it can also get on if we open it. Yeah.
Yeah.
We have to try to get to the 6P.
Yeah.
By the square there's also an original building with 3 original elevators from 1959. Kone elevators 1959, which we have filmed all of them.
Yeah.
And another one, but sadly with generic, so we don't have to go there at all.
Yeah.
And that's probably all of the 1950s buildings in by the Tampere Square. Or I cannot at least find more at the moment. But there are other 550s in other areas.
Yeah.
Those are more in Kaleva where I haven't been. I have been there, but not in all buildings yet.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try this ticket speed for a while. We'll continue. Thank you very much for watching. Nice plant, this one.
That's